viewers all. So yeah, I just recently finished my first ever stream on YouTube, which basically still kind of failed because yeah, the sound input from the microphone in the OBS Studio is just pretty low, so that's the reason why the videos in OBS Studio are just intended to be everything manual. So unlike Zoom, which is pretty much more automatic in terms of setting up audio. So for some reason I haven't tried to increase the audio to 20 decibel caps, which basically make my voice even clearer. So right now, in order to hear my voice, I just need to increase the volume so high until it was basically almost maximum, perhaps, I'm not sure. So yeah, but yes, for some reason there is obviously no views on the live stream because yeah, it basically has some attraction to viewers yet, which I just don't know whether it's actually possible or not, but hopefully it's basically possible because yeah, at the moment that I wanted to start the stream is actually I got some negative comments, which is basically as usual, and you know, it's already a common thing that I got a dislike on my video, but right now there's also a comment representing those dislikes. But yeah, it's okay, then I just try to be grateful about it, and for some reason I'm still definitely prefer to do the emoji not live, so it's because I'm just more confident about it, and the topic is also more precise. But yeah, for some reason I didn't have any videos yet again to be commentary, so it is just one of the latest unboxing that I've been done. So I'm trying to put the Logitech G27 steering wheel again, but this time it is actually better because it's included with steering wheel, included with pedal shift, and also